This Ninja BC151CR Blast portable blender represents a modern shift in how personal blending fits into everyday life. Combining true cordless freedom with the blending performance Ninja is known for. Designed for people who refuse to compromise between convenience and power, this portable blender delivers impressive results in a compact, rechargeable format that travels effortlessly from kitchen counters to gyms, offices, parks, and road trips. With its sleek cranberry red finish, 18-ounce capacity, and thoughtfully engineered features, the Ninja Blast redefines what a personal blender can realistically accomplish without being tethered to an outlet. From the moment you pick it up, the Ninja Blast feels intentionally designed for mobility. The lightweight build, ergonomic shape, and hinged carry handle make it easy to transport without feeling fragile or toy-like. Unlike many portable blenders that feel underpowered or novelty-driven, this model maintains a solid, premium feel that inspires confidence in daily use. The cordless design removes friction from healthy habits, allowing users to blend smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks wherever inspiration strikes rather than waiting until they are back home. At the core of the Ninja Blast is Ninja Blast technology, which pairs a ribbed blending vessel with a durable stainless steel BlastBlade Assembly. This combination creates a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients downward for consistent, efficient blending. What truly sets this blender apart from other portable options is its ability to crush ice and frozen ingredients, a task that many cordless models struggle to handle. Whether blending frozen fruit, ice cubes, or thick protein mixtures, the Ninja Blast delivers smooth, drinkable results that feel comparable to countertop personal blenders. The 18-ounce blending vessel strikes an ideal balance between portability and practicality. It is large enough to accommodate full-size smoothies or meal replacement shakes without feeling bulky or awkward to carry. For users focused on fitness, meal prep, or nutrition on the go, this capacity eliminates the need for multiple blending cycles while still remaining easy to hold and store. The vessel's BPA-free construction reinforces Ninja's commitment to safety and long-term usability, especially for daily consumption. One of the most appreciated design choices is the easy open sip lid, which allows users to blend and drink from the same container. This eliminates unnecessary transfers, reduces cleanup, and supports a truly mobile lifestyle. The leak-proof seal ensures that the blender can be tossed into a gym bag or backpack without worry, while the sip spout offers a comfortable, controlled drinking experience. This seamless transition from blending to drinking makes the Ninja Blast feel less like an appliance and more like a lifestyle accessory. Power management is another area where the Ninja Blast excels. The 7.4V rechargeable motor base delivers strong, consistent blending performance without cords or bulky battery packs. Charging via USB-C adds a layer of modern convenience, making it easy to recharge from laptops, power banks, car chargers, or wall adapters. This universal charging capability ensures the blender fits naturally into tech-forward routines, especially for users who already rely on USB-C devices throughout the day. The inclusion of separate power and blend buttons is a subtle but important safety and usability feature. By preventing accidental activation, Ninja ensures that the blender remains safe during transport and handling. This thoughtful control layout also contributes to a smoother user experience, reducing frustration and increasing confidence when using the blender in non-traditional environments like offices or outdoor spaces. Cleaning is refreshingly simple, which is essential for a product designed for frequent use. The vessel and lid are dishwasher-safe, making thorough cleaning effortless at the end of the day. For quick maintenance between uses, the blender also supports a self-cleaning cycle, requiring only water and a drop of dish soap blended for 30 seconds. This feature encourages regular use by removing one of the most common barriers to daily blending, cleanup time. Performance consistency is where the Ninja Blast truly earns its reputation. Smoothies come out evenly blended, protein powders dissolve without clumping, and frozen ingredients break down efficiently. While it is not intended to replace a full-size high-powered countertop blender for tasks like nut butter or dense doughs, it excels within its intended category. For shakes, smoothies, and frozen drinks, the Ninja Blast delivers reliable, satisfying results that outperform most portable competitors. The aesthetic appeal of the Ninja Blast should not be overlooked. Available in premium color options like cranberry red, it feels personal and stylish rather than utilitarian. This visual appeal encourages regular use and makes the blender feel like an extension of a health-focused lifestyle rather than just another gadget stored away in a cabinet. Key features and benefits: cordless, portable design for blending anywhere. Ninja Blast technology with ribbed vessel and stainless steel blades. 18-ounce BPA-free vessel for full-size personal blends. USB-C rechargeable power base for modern convenience. Leakproof sip lid with carry handle for on-the-go use. Separate power and blend buttons for safety. Dishwasher-safe and self-cleaning components. Pros and cons. Pros: strong blending power for a portable cordless blender. Easily handles frozen fruit and ice. Convenient USB-C charging. Blend and drink from the same vessel. Simple cleaning and maintenance. Stylish design with premium color options. Cons: not designed for heavy-duty blending tasks. Single-serve capacity may not suit multiple users. Requires regular recharging with frequent use. Final verdict: the Ninja BC151CR Blast portable blender successfully bridges the gap between convenience and performance, offering true blending power in a cordless, travel-ready form. It empowers users to maintain healthy habits without being limited by location, time, or access to a full kitchen. With thoughtful features like USB-C charging, a leak-proof sip lid, and Ninja's proven blade technology, this blender stands out as a reliable and stylish solution for smoothies and shakes on the go. For anyone seeking a portable blender that actually performs rather than merely promises, the Ninja Blast is a compelling choice that fits seamlessly into modern, active lifestyles. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Ninja Blast can upgrade your daily routine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.